Yeah, I can imagine. So half lemonade, half refreshing.
Stony Cove.
It's like Bridge North, back up there, right? Yeah, back over. You can go by
This pipe is mad. Contest still. That was a nice contest. I must have caught that on the GoPro. Had an incredible Instagram live for the first year anniversary of that, and right now I am just doing some guest messaging amendments and fixes because I want to make sure the guest tomorrow is receiving the correct information. So just reviewing some of the check-in instructions and everything else, and also making sure the security deposit is going to be paid. Back in the SA today, doing a spot check. Had a good review from one of the guests that stayed over the weekend, but we did get some really valuable feedback, to be honest, about the milk pots, to say that they are actually gone past the best before date. So I'm gonna replace these, order some more, get them sent to my cleaner, so that they can just replenish them as and when they come. Doing a little bit of a spot check now. Had work this morning, gonna be in London tomorrow, so very busy on the work front, trying to just balance and juggle everything. Gonna head to the gym this afternoon because I feel like I need to clear my head a little bit, and I haven't been this week yet, so I'm gonna go there and then sort out a few more things this afternoon before going to the inner circle networking later on this evening. I'm also checking the hot water because, yeah, that's hot, you can see, because one of the guests fed back that the shower water ran cold after 10 minutes or so. So I'm going to check the tap first, and then I'm going to go and check the shower now because I wouldn't want that issue to pop up again for another guest. So I've got somebody else checking in tomorrow. I really do love this service apartment, man. It is a beauty. Nice sunny day. This is why it's important to spot check your service apartment, because bin bag was inadvertently left outside instead of being put in the bin. I'm about to just do that, feed it back and go to the gym. Here at the Poke Grill today, and I'm with M. Shout out to M.
Yes, brother.
Just had a beautiful bowl of shrimp. Have a look. House bowl, shrimp bowl, that's what I had. It's absolutely amazing. So I'll be back 100%, and shout out to M for the shrimp. Washing the bike before it gets dark. Washed off now. About to clean the chain. Well, just clean the chain. About to lube the chain and put a little sealant on it. Yeah. Nice clean bike. It is Thursday and I'm working from home today because long day in London yesterday and feeling a little bit worse for wear, if I'm honest. Yeah, busy at work. It was a good day yesterday. Had a HR event in London basically, and I actually did like a voiceover where they were doing various videos for between teams and stuff, and I got a lot of people saying like I need to do voiceovers and a lot of positive comments, so that was good. Yeah, just networking. The day was long, went for a meal afterwards, got the train back home. So yeah, I'm feeling it, the effects today. I've got a guest that messaged me with an issue in one of the properties today, so I'm going to hopefully get a plumber out to be able to resolve that, and then just catch up on business really later on. Trying to get my hair done tomorrow, and then going to go see my grandma, probably work from there. I'm going to spend as much time with her as possible. So yeah, going to work from there during Friday, and then Saturday, Sunday, business, more business and more management of the essays.
But I would have never known that they were cheaper had they not put that in their listing. Like, book with us and and you'd get it cheaper. So I was like, let me find you.
Yep, sorting out this, well, learning, still at the game, man. So I recorded a video again, recorded it in a completely wrong direction. But yeah, it's Friday today. I am currently working at grandma's. Came to spend a little bit of time with her, so I'm working from here. And then going to get my hair sorted later on. As you can see, it's very much needed. This weekend I am sorting out some content editing, planning for the live, business admin as always, as usual. I've got a couple of checkouts on Sunday, so I'm going to check in with the guest and make sure those are all sorted. And I need to organise my inner circle guest speaker presentation and talk, so I'm going to work on that this weekend. I think that's the JLS right by the gym group. Might go in and check out some stuff.
Look, say all that.
The next day, yeah, but I'll just busy the next one. I'll go back.